Welcome back to Mount Olympus, everyone. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded another video. Sort of been going through a little bit of a rocky phase in life, but you know, these things happen. What I'm going to be doing for you all today, boom, see this little doohickey right here, this little weird looking thing that not a lot of people really know about if you're not really like that into cars. And this little thing right here that looks like it's a freaking rubber band or something that holds your hair. We are going to be changing out our thermostat in this MKZ. Enough talk, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I just placed in the new thermostat. I'm just reconnecting the housing and everything else and tightening the bolts up there. Put the filter back on. I took it out and just threw all my tools right here and placed the battery back into this spot. And after that, we pretty much sealed the deal. We'll give this thing a test run after I fill it up with some more coolant. So that's completely empty. Then we'll go for a little test run. we are finally done with the thermostat. Now here comes the fun little thing that I'm going to be going about doing with this MKZ. We are done with phase 1 for now. We're going to be moving on to phase 2. And here's the big thing that I really know I might get a lot of hate for. I want to turn this MKZ into a rally car. So that's what we're going to be doing with this new project of mine, with this thing. Like, we did the whole little, you know, stuff just to sort of get the channel going and everything like that. But now we are really going to be focusing on something that I've been wanting to do with this MKZ for a while. And that is getting into rally. You know, just like, I don't know, maybe doing some amateur stuff for right now. But I'm going to be rallying this freaking MKZ. All right. So for anyone else out there who's thinking like just doing something crazy with their MKZ, I'll be the poster boy for that. We're going to rally this MKZ some way, some shape, some form. So also another thing that I want to do is give away those front door handles that I actually had got instead of the ones for the back, because I know I was supposed to make a video on that, but I didn't because I ordered the wrong ones. And you know, that's just, I don't even really want to think about it. So what I'm going to do instead is, for anyone out there who likes, subscribe, and comments in the comment section down below on why you need some front door handles, I will be giving those out to you, and I'll let you know who the winner is in our next video. So for right now, phase 1 is complete. We're moving on to phase 2, which is working on things on the outside, get some new struts in here, get some tires, you know, just fender flares, whatever we're going to be doing when it comes to rallying this thing. Like, we are going to rally this MKZ, mark my words. So tune in next time, and I'll see you then. Peace.